Hey, Striker Metals here. Today I'll be showing how to make a Viking double spiral bracelet. It's one of these. Big piece, sort of complex. Made lots and lots of clasps for these. That's what they look like. And these are the various stages. So we've got what it starts with, a bit of wire, and that section turned into that, bent, and then bent over again into these are the final sections. Also need some clasps for this, 2 clasps. This is just a double clasp bracelet. There's a completed 8-inch version. Quite complex and pretty looking. I'll be selling these on my eBay. There'll be a link in the description, like most of my videos. So I'll be showing how to make one of them. So I've got a 4-inch section already made here. I'll be showing how to make the links first. It's pretty simple. Wire bending tool. And then the same on the opposite side. Sort of unstable there. Not my usual phone stand. So we're at that position. Now start making spirals. Very simple. Just bend it round, like so. And you want the end piece sticking towards the edge. And then do that again on the opposite side. Now you need the wire bending tool from the middle. You want the 2 spirals on the opposite side and then bend them out in order to make a little sort of clasp there. Made it slightly bigger there, better for viewing. Now that needs to be bent underwards, like so. That's how you make a single link, but you'll have to make many of these for a single bracelet. Now assembly is also pretty simple. Show how to bend that again using this one.
Ooh, my delivery.
So it is. Just flat out British then. Delivery has arrived. Come say hi.
Flat firms.
His thingies. He don't often have delivery, so he gets excited when he does.
It's flat with British stuff, isn't it? It'd be good.
Yeah, completely different field to my field. So, I have to open these sections now. Very simple. To attach each new link. So, as you can see, it's quite simple to attach the links. Got another section here. Might as well bend that position. Do look kind of bizarre, these links, but it's how they all attach together. You just bend up on one spiral in order to put the new links upon the next example, like that. Just push that on through. Make sure you get in the right direction though. Measure that some. We have 5 and a bit inches there. Need a good few more clasps. Links, rather. Have to bend this one a bit more straight, a bit skew. That does happen. During placement, you can see what it looks like on the back there and how all the links attach. Quite a time consuming piece to make from scratch, once you have made all the spirals, and there's lots and lots of wire bending involved. Definitely one of my more pretty bracelet builds. We'll be doing much more in the future. Now for them. This will just be one of many complex and simple builds. Don't actually need the pliers to do that, but you do need them to straighten it up sometimes. Otherwise you'll end up with a bent section and that won't look as nice. This old bracelet will go nicely with the Viking triskelion I made recently. Nice funky textured pendant. Check that video, it'll be quite nice. It's a very pretty pendant, quite sizable. So that's coming along nicely there. Does look quite long, an 8-inch bracelet. Coming along quite nicely. Could probably make a sort of layered effect with these, as I have worn multiple pieces before. Looks quite nice. Sort of looks like a van brace, a piece of jewellery. It's like a arm guard, back when they used swords and stuff. It's like a sort of metal arm wrist guard, deflecting sword blows. rather than carrying a bulky shield, I suppose. So how long is that? We have a stick. Section is just under 8 inches. Fair enough. Very nearly complete. Some of the links that I just made are actually in this bracelet. Make it a tiny bit longer, so it's very slightly over 8 inches. Give some leeway, a little bit of extra length does help. Now attaching these two quick release clasps, needed on this edge, that's the edge without the point. I have one here with the connection link and one without, where you start the bracelet. It seems sort of difficult of how we would attach this, but it isn't. Simply attach two clasps rather than standard one. Or you could make a sort of jump ring assembly. Doesn't matter too much which direction they face. And there's another bracelet. And there's one I made earlier also. So that's how to make Viking double spiral bracelets and links. Actually quite weighty, these pieces. As I said, check the description for where you can buy these bracelets. We will be selling them. Well, till next time.